A quick video to let you guys know I have just released my own DJI Air 3 cinematic LUT. So if you just picked up this fantastic drone, you don't want to miss out on these LUTs. They're going to completely save you so much time in your color grading. So this now is going to be the gold combo, just like you saw on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. These are specially designed for the DJI Air 3. I've had this drone now for a few months and I've been tweaking the colors on here, so it just makes your life so much easier when color grading. So the gold combo, you're going to get 15 normal color profile LUTs included, and you're also going to get 14 D-Log M color profile LUTs. And we now have a D-Log M 10-bit color profile on the DJI Air 3, and this is going to give you the very best in terms of quality on your DJI Air 3 if you're going to shoot in that color profile. But as you can see, it is a really flat color profile. It doesn't look very good. You have to then go out and color grade it yourself. And this is where the problems can occur, because if you're not very good at color grading, you can make that footage look bad really fast. So what these LUTs do is you basically just drag one of these LUTs onto your clip, and each one of them will transform the overall look of that video. So all 14 of these will give you a different effect, and they're all specially designed for the DJI Air 3. And some of my favourites are the Sunwashed LUT, which is a really nice saturated vibe. You've got the Lagos LUT, and this is saturation with nice strong amounts of teal and orange contrast, and pretty much can be used on any clip. It's such a versatile LUT. It's probably one of my favourite ones in this pack. You've got the Ocean LUT. It's going to be perfect for water scenes, really nice blues and greens. I've lowered the highlights so that it's not going to be overexposed, really nice. You've got Monchique, which is saturated browns, contrast, looks fantastic. Vintage Grey, this is another new one, so this is going to add some grain. It's muted colours and has more of a vintage vibe. You've got Sandstorm, a really unique look. This is going to add nice oranges with contrast. Sunkissed, perfect for sunsets and sunrises. Just look at some of these effects you can get with that. You've got Set and Forget, which is a favourite ever since the DJI Mini 2. You can basically use Set and Forget on any of your clip, doesn't matter where it is. This will just add some contrast and increase the overall look of that video clip. Set and Forget is just the most versatile LUT that you can get. You've got Morning Sun, which is some really nice warm tones, Mustang for some moody browns, 3 different versions of the Cine LUT for more of a cinematic LUT, and you've also got Glow Up, which basically just is everything this nice boost of colour with a nice glow to it as well, like more of a dreamy effect. And these are just some of my favourite ones for the D-Log M LUTs. You've also got 15 normal colour profile LUTs as well. So these are all available on my website, dmprovisuals.com. You can go onto that website, have a look at these. There's also some sliders that you can play around with. You can look at the befores and after. These are fantastic value. But for the first 48 hours, you're also going to get 20% off. All you've got to do is enter discount code AIR, all in capitals, and you'll get 20% off. And that's just for the first 48 hours. So I hope you enjoy these. They work for all different video editors. So like DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, LumaFusion, CapCut. I've tested them on all of those video editors and they all work fantastic. So any editor that allows you to install custom LUTs, these will work with. It's an instant download, you get them straight away. You're going to absolutely love these. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy them. Thanks so much for the support if you do buy these, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.